Nvax missed and slashed year guidance by 50%. This was just an outright dumpster fire, to say the least. So you can just see this already after hours, and all we're seeing is higher, high, higher, high, higher, high, right? So since they gapped down, that's what you're dealing with. Now, where you're at the time of watching this, we're just not sure. But if you're watching this later in the day and you see this little line, you might want to pay attention to it. Unless you're going to flip this and try to gap fill overnight. And with these kinds of earnings, I just don't see it. If we take a quick look at the snapshot and we just look at this is from Benzinga. If you are interested in the free trial, there's a link in the description. But you can just see revenue declined 37.6%. Okay, you can just see where you were at. I mean, it was just an outright dumpster fire of a quarter. There's very little to here that you can even see that makes sense. Loss was $6.53. How you're losing money still, $4.75. So you're losing even more money as your revenues are going up. So there's some real issues here. And look at this. This is really what I want to focus on. Expects revenue 2.3 to 2.3, down from 4 to 5. I mean, consensus was 4.7. No one thought that they're going to miss. Nobody thought that at all. To say that you should have lack of faith in management is probably a gross understatement. If you're going to miss by this much, you shouldn't step into like, a dumpster fire. You should be, hey, by the way, things aren't looking so good. Okay, these companies need to start making announcements. Watch this 38 3/4. You're kind of hanging in here. That was bonk level. These supports sometimes fight. You had a bear flag here, fixed, went higher. It is possible that you stop here. So you're going to want to watch this tomorrow. If you slash through this, you start going through all kinds of levels and depths that you never thought you could get to. My thought on this is that you gap down with some kind of bounce and then you roll right back down. But what this is saying, from my perspective, is broader to the market. Now, is it saying that this is bad, or is it going to say that all of these companies are going to be doing this? So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.